Hi, friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to go pick lavender at a lavender farm in Warner, New Hampshire. A friend of mine had invited me to go along with her, and something I've always wanted to do. I'd actually never been to a lavender farm before, so I'm pretty excited. But I thought I would take you along with me. We'll go ahead and explore this place together. So, in the meantime, I did take some footage of true nature sounds in my very own yard. So, enjoy. Here's the lavender that I picked from the lavender fields at Pumpkin Blossom Farm in Warner, New Hampshire. And then of course I had to purchase some items. I got these shower steamers, the chai. They smell luscious. I cannot wait to try them. I've never tried the steamers before. And then I got a white balsamic vinegar with lavender, along with the, oh shoot, I got two whites. I thought I was getting the regular. They also had just regular balsamic, but oh well, I'm gonna have two. And then I got the lavender and blueberry. It's like a mixer. She said you can add it to lemonades, you can add it to different drinks, whether it's margaritas or gin and tonic type of thing. But anyway, things to play with and experiment with. And then I also got this, The Art of Cooking with Lavender. It's always intrigued me. Comes with a little bit, a little trial size. Oh, look at the stamp on that. Isn't that cute? Of culinary lavender. And then here's the book. So pretty. All kinds of fun things to try. And you have to see. We did buy at the little, it was like an old camper. I had showed it in my video. They had lavender lemonade, and then I also got a strawberry lavender sorbet. It was so good. Tasted so good, especially after we picked for a while. It was getting rather warm. So anyway, all kinds of fun things to try. I wanted to, oh, there we go, pink lemonade lavender pops. I wanted to share with you. So, okay, looks like we're gonna have some fun. Decided to hang this, let it dry a little bit. I don't know, I just stuck it up here on my little cupboard. It's an old jelly cupboard. But anyway, we'll see. It feels pretty green, so I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. But it's so pretty and it smells so good.